Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use free Elementor design features on your website. If you're looking to create professional-looking pages without spending money on premium templates, this tutorial will show you exactly how to access and customize Elementor's free design library. Let's start by heading to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and logging in with your credentials. Once you're inside, you'll need to create a new page where you can work with Elementor's templates. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Pages, then select Add Page. This will create a fresh blank page for your design work. Now, instead of using the default WordPress editor, click on Edit with Elementor. This button switches you over to the Elementor Visual Editor interface, which is where all the magic happens. Once the Elementor editor loads, look for the folder icon in your toolbar. This icon represents the template library, which houses all of Elementor's pre-designed templates. Click on this folder icon to open up the library. You'll immediately see a wide selection of templates displayed in front of you. Here's an important step to ensure you're only browsing free options. At the top of the template library, you'll see filter options. Click on either pages or blocks depending on what type of design you're looking for. Pages are full-page layouts, while blocks are individual sections you can mix and match. Now make sure you're filtering by free templates. You can easily identify free templates because they won't have a PRO label on them. This way you're avoiding any premium templates that would require a subscription. Browse through the available free templates until you find one that catches your eye and fits your website's purpose. When you've found the perfect template, hover your mouse over it. You'll see an Insert button appear. Click on Insert to select that template. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm. Click on Apply in this pop-up to load the template onto your canvas. The template will now replace anything on your page, so this is the moment where your chosen design comes to life. Now that the free template is loaded, you can fully customize it to match your brand and content. Click on any element within the template to edit text, change colors, swap images, or adjust layouts. Elementor's drag and drop interface makes this incredibly intuitive, so feel free to experiment with different sections until everything looks exactly how you want it. When you're satisfied with your customizations, it's time to save your work. Look to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the Publish button. If you're ready to make the page live on your website, click Publish. However, if you'd like to save your progress and continue working on it later, click Save Draft beside the Publish button instead. This ensures all your changes are safely stored. And there you have it, you've successfully used Elementor's free design features to create a professional-looking page on your website without spending a dime. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.